Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a new account on Cash App. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Cash App is the easiest way to spend, save and invest your money. If you'd like to create a new account on Cash App using your desktop, then here's how to do it. Open up your Cash App application from your app drawer, and once you do that, you'll end up in this page. You can either enter your phone or your email address if you'd like to get started with Cash App. In today's video, let me type in my email address. Soon after you do that, click on the next button. Now, you'll receive a confirmation code sent to your email address that you just provided. Simply open up your inbox and you'll receive a sign-in code on your inbox via Cash App. Simply copy the code and go back to Cash App application, type in the confirmation code or simply paste it in and click next at the bottom. Once you've verified your email address, you'll now need to confirm your country. Once you select your country, on the next page, you'll need to link a bank using your debit card. Simply type in your debit card number, or you can skip the step by clicking on skip at the bottom left for now. Now enter your full name in the text boxes appearing on the next page and click the next button. Choose a unique hashtag for yourself and type it in the text box. Now click the next button at the bottom and enter your zip code on the next field. Once you do that, click next again at the bottom. Click on the continue button if you want to allow access for your contact so that it is easier to find friends, protect your account, and prevent spam. You can click continue in order to do that, or skip the step by clicking skip for now. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface, which means you've successfully signed up or created an account for Cash App. Now you can send your money to friends, receive money from them, pay for stuffs, buy and sell stocks, or even buy and sell Bitcoin from your Cash App account. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.